friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make potato and tomato mixed bharta. I have already boiled the potatoes, mashed this up nicely first, and I have burnt the tomatoes also. This also I will mash it and then make the bharta. I hope you all will like this bharta. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, share. This way first I will mash the potato and the tomatoes. Friends, to make the bharta, I am going to use mustard oil. I put some mustard oil. Let the oil turn hot first. I have mashed up the potato and the tomato. Friends, I will use this jeera in the oil. I have chopped up 2 onions and some green chilies. This also I will put in the oil. Friends, the onion is turned brown. Now I will put in the potato and tomato mash. Put the salt. I will put some turmeric powder also, little bit, not much. This is the turmeric powder, and I will mix it well. Friends, my potato bharta is ready. Aloo bharta, aloo and tomato mix bharta is ready. Friends, along with the bharta, I am going to fry these 3 eggs. Simple way I am going to fry it. I will put the oil in the karai. Once the oil turns hot, I will put in the egg. The oil is turned hot. This way I am going to fry the eggs. Now I will turn the egg. Friends, the egg is ready. Even the other egg also I will fry this way. Put in the salt. This also I will turn it. I will put little bit more oil. And the third egg also, this way I will fry. Put some salt.